Hi. To start with the recipe, first let's make our dipping sauce. Combine 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Add in 1/4 of a red chili and garlic to taste. Stir everything together until the sugar dissolves completely. You'll know it's ready when the mixture is smooth and the sugar is no longer visible. This step is crucial because a well-balanced sauce makes all the difference in flavor. Now, let's move on to the rice vermicelli noodles. Cook 4 ounces of noodles according to the package directions. Typically, this involves boiling them for about 3-5 minutes until they're tender. A common mistake is overcooking them, so make sure to check their texture. They should be soft but not mushy. Once done, drain them and set them aside to cool. You'll know they're perfect when they have a slight bounce to them. Next, it's time to prepare our veggies. Wash and cut 6 lettuce leaves, 1/2 a cucumber, and 1/2 cup of carrots into thin strips. The trick here is to keep the strips uniform in size, which helps in rolling them later. Pay attention to the cucumber. It should be crisp and not too watery. This step is important because the freshness of the veggies adds a delightful crunch to the rolls. By the way, since many of you ask about this kitchen knife set that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Let's not forget the herbs. Pick 1/4 cup each of cilantro and mint leaves. Make sure to remove any tough stems, as they can make the rolls difficult to bite through. The herbs are what give these rolls their signature fresh taste, so don't skimp on them. You'll know you've got it right when the leaves are vibrant and aromatic. Prepare a warm water bath in a shallow dish or bowl. This is where we'll soften the rice paper rounds. The water should be warm to the touch, not hot, as too much heat can make the rice paper too sticky. This step is crucial because the right water temperature ensures the rice paper becomes pliable without tearing. Dip each rice paper round in the warm water for 4-5 seconds. You'll know it's ready when it becomes soft and flexible, but still holds its shape. A common mistake is leaving it in the water too long, which can make it too sticky to handle. If this happens, try using a slightly cooler water bath next time. Now comes the fun part, assembling the rolls. Place a softened rice paper on a flat surface and layer it with a lettuce leaf, a small handful of noodles, a few strips of cucumber and carrots, and a sprinkle of herbs. The trick is not to overfill, as this makes rolling difficult. You'll know you've got the right amount when the ingredients sit comfortably in the center with room to fold the edges. Fold the sides of the rice paper over the filling, then roll it up tightly from the bottom. The key here is to keep the roll snug so it holds together. If it feels loose, gently press and roll again. You'll know it's done right when the roll is firm and the filling is secure inside. Finally, serve your fresh rice paper rolls immediately with the dipping sauce you prepared earlier. The rolls should look vibrant and inviting, with the colorful veggies peeking through the translucent rice paper. Enjoy the fresh, crisp flavors. And remember, the best part is sharing these delicious rolls with friends and family. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.